Hey guys, this is Visual PJ. In this video, I will be sharing some knee and hip strengthening exercises by just using an ankle weights at home. The first exercise is the knee extensions. Maintain a 90 degrees angle with your knee and keep your body straight and head forward. Just lift the leg a little bit, then kick, then hold for 2 seconds, back. You can do to the other side. 1, 2, the other side. Make sure you can feel the contraction of your quads by holding or squeezing this position. 15 to 25 reps. The second exercise is the knee raises or the hip flexion. 90 degrees, then raise your knee upward, holding it for 2 seconds. So again, your goal here is to target 15 to 25 reps. The third exercise is the leg abductions. So you just have to open your legs in and out. If you want to challenge yourself, you can lift your leg while doing this. The fourth exercise is the hip internal rotation and external rotation. Here, I'm thinking of my heel to touch my knee, then my big toe touching the floor. Same to the other side. So our fifth exercise is the standing knee march. Here. Just raise your knee with a 90-degree bend. Then keep your trunk stable. You don't want to go like this. So we want to focus here on your quads. Another exercise is standing leg abduction. You can touch on the wall or do it like this. Here. So another tip, make sure you're not doing too much, as if your body will sway to the other side. So just maintain a standing or straight body. Other side. So again, your aim here is to do 15 to 25. If it's too much, you can lessen the weight. For the second exercise, this is the hip extension. Like this. And the next exercise is the knee flexion.